Why does your scanner show the P2425 engine code? What does it mean? P2425 is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust gas recirculation cooling valve control circuit, or open. This engine code indicates that this means the engine control module, ECM, has detected a break or interruption in the electrical connection to the EGR cooling valve. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: EGR cooling valve issues, sensor problems, electrical problems, vacuum line issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford and Mercedes-Benz models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.